All right, this is case number 22 CR130, State of Ohio versus Stevie Don Coulter. Present for the state is Assistant Prosecutor King. Present on behalf of the defendant is Attorney Dennis Kirk. Are you Stevie Don Coulter?
Yes.
Pardon me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you all right, Miss Coulter? I can't hear you. You have a really bad headache? Anything else wrong with you? All right. Well, we'll go ahead and have this pre-trial, but a couple of things I want to talk about after that. This was actually set for a hearing, I believe, for the defendant to enter in a plea for treatment in lieu of conviction, or at least have the hearing on that.
This case doesn't open with shouting or defiance, no smug faces, no courtroom theatrics. Instead, Stevie Don Coulter walks in visibly shaken, fragile, not fiery. She's not arguing with the judge. She's barely holding herself together, whispering about a severe headache, barely able to lift her head. She's not just tired, she's unraveling right before our eyes. This moment makes it clear. We're not just watching a legal matter unfold. We're witnessing something deeper, a personal collapse. It's more than rules and procedures. It's a human being in crisis. The law is in the room, sure, but so is pain, and that changes everything.
I have a report from the probation department that she's been testing positive for gabapentin, marijuana, methamphetamine, and amphetamine. It hasn't reported since the 21st of September. Called on the 29th, said she didn't have a ride, wanted to be rescheduled, does not contact since then. Referred to Talbot House for an assessment. There's been no contact there they've had from Talbot.
But I just have a question. Does it even test for gabapentin on a 10-panel drug test?
What's that now?
Does it test for a gabapentin on a 10-panel drug test?
Okay.
That's what
Miss Talbot, or Miss...
Because someone said that to me in the PO's office, and I'm a very intelligent person, and I know a lot, and I just look stuff up all the time. And I can't, it's hard for me to plea in lieu of, honestly, because of the things that I found in this. That's like kind of like, I don't know.
As the judge methodically reads through Coulter's long list of probation violations, missed check-ins, failed drug tests for meth, marijuana, and gabapentin, there's no shock in the courtroom. No gasp, just the cold, procedural rhythm of a system that's seen this story play out too many times. To the court, it's just another case number on a crowded docket, another name on a never-ending list. But for Coulter, each violation isn't just a legal misstep. It's another cry for help buried beneath addiction, trauma, and defeat. You can feel how numb the system has become to stories like hers. And that numbness, that's the real tragedy. Because what should feel heartbreaking now just feels routine.
Ms. Coulter, I'm going to have you drug tested here. Probation officers here. I'm going to have them drug test you.
I've never been in trouble. No, I just got beat the shit out of by a dude who left a bite mark on my arm, and my head hurts now because of it. He beat me up until I was literally talking retarded. And in this statement from the police, from this one, it says, then I identified female Stevie Coulter, not Stevie Coulter identified herself after her social security number. So he arrested me based off of...
Okay, well, that's not what we're here about here today, Miss.
Then it happened, she finally says it. She was beaten. And in that moment, the courtroom shifts. She's not just talking about bruises on her skin. She's revealing the invisible wounds, the kind that don't fade. You can hear the pain woven into every word, the trembling voice of someone who's not just trying to survive the legal system, but begging for anyone to actually see her. Not as a case, not as a problem, but as a person. But instead of compassion, there's a pause. A silence so loud it drowns her out. It's the silence that says, we've heard it before. And that, more than anything else, breaks her all over again.
It's clear that you're not in a
But they
situation.
lied also, though, Judge. They
You don't-
lied
and don't
about
interrupt me, Miss
pulling her
Coulter.
hair and everything. I was denied access to the videos.
Miss Coulter,
to
be
able to
quiet.
prove it wrong.
Be quiet. Don't speak.
Because they lied.
Be quiet, I said.
They lied.
I'm not lying. I said be quiet. You understand me?
They didn't lie.
All right, I'm holding you in contempt, and you're going to be sentenced to jail for 10 days. Now, if you open up your mouth again.
Then the judge snaps. Be quiet, he says firm, louder, again and again, as if volume alone can restore order. When the warnings don't work, he drops the hammer. Contempt of court, 10 days in jail. Just like that, her cries become a crime. And in that moment, justice doesn't look like fairness, it looks like control, cold, procedural, mechanical. But what else could the court do? Here's a person unraveling in real time, clearly in crisis, and the legal system is built to process, not to heal. It wasn't designed for broken people. It was designed to move the line along. And that's exactly what it does.
Stay on topic here, all right?
That's against
You're going to go to jail for 10 days right now. I'm going to have you tested by the probation department,
Okay, so
and then we'll decide
I
what's
already
going to
failed a
happen.
drug test. They already did a mental health assessment when I got out on the terms of the first time I went out. Or I got out when I first
Miss
originally got
Coulter,
out.
you're disrupting this
I promise
proceeding.
you, I'm trying to be like that.
Yeah,
But it's in
yes, you
black
are.
and white. It's right there.
All right.
I highlighted it. Then I identified within the first 3 lines.
I don't even know what you're talking about because it has nothing to do with what we're here for
The police officer
today.
that arrested me. It was wrongful arrest, and then I had 5 cops on me.
All right, you have an
I
attorney.
had 5 cops on me.
Miss Coulter, you have an attorney.
I wasn't even I didn't even touch that girl. It was my only form of
Take her into
defense.
custody, put a cuff on her.
It was my only form of defense.
You're going to jail, and we're going to have you
It was
tested.
my only form.
I want you to-
test me. You already did. So what?
Has she been drug tested today?